Okay. Let's quickly look at this problem together that was being forwarded to us by Mbali. So this is orthographic projection. So in order for you to be strong in in isonometric and 2-point perspective drawing, you have to be very strong in this topic. Understand? Isonometric and 2-point perspective drawing, you have to be very strong in terms of scattering the views. Draw the front, draw the left, draw the top, draw the right. You understand? Which is what? Which is orthographic projection. Understand? Grade 10, grade 11, grade 10, N1, if unfortunately there is no N1 anymore, but then the concept is still the same, you understand? So the concept is still the same. So Mbali, you wrote for us, I don't know whether you are I think you are the one who wrote here. It's not like it's from the question. So you wrote, show the machine component, do not copy this isometric drawing, but draw the following in first angle orthographic projection. So we are saying in first angle orthographic projection. And as far as I'm concerned, if we are given this arrow, the question or the statement is going to say the arrow is pointing what is giving us our front view. So where there is arrow, which means it's your front view. Understand? So as much as you can see, this machine component is actually facing you, isn't it? So on your left hand side is where the arrow is situated, which means on this side, if this is your front, where your arrow is situated, which means this side is supposed to be my right, which means this side is supposed to be my right view. So with that, we can then say we are going to scatter these views according to third angle orthographic projection. Why? Because of my arrow is on my left hand side. What is on my right hand side it cannot be left. It cannot be left. Whereas the question talks about first. Remember, in first we do not have the word left. In first, not left. We do not have the word right according to first. According to first, we do not have the word right. We've got left. Come back here. Cartesian plane being counted anti-clockwise, isn't it? This is the first, second, third, and the fourth. So according to this first angle orthographic, we are going to have a left here, we are going to have a front here, we're going to have a top here, we're going to have a line of 45 degrees. Understand? According to first. Should it be according to third, as much as this is given according to third? So still the same Cartesian plane. So in the first, second, third, and fourth being counted anti-clockwise, our quadrant still the same. So, but in the first, we've got a line of 45 degrees. So here we are going to have a top. Here we're going to have a front. Here we're going to have a right. Are we together? So this is the formula of orthographic projection. That's how we scatter the views. We don't just draw anywhere you like, you understand? So you have to analyze that machine component and correspond it with the question before you scatter the views. Are we together? And we are not, Mbali, you didn't give us the scale. So we are going to assume using a scale 1:1. So let's draw. So since we are going to draw this one according to the third angle orthographic, understand the formula. Understand the formula. So which means I can start my drawing a little bit bottom left hand corner of my drawing sheet. My little bit bottom left hand corner of my drawing sheet. Understand? I cannot just start up left hand corner, because of how about if I start here, how about my top view, which means my top view is going to go out of the page, isn't it? So I have to start down so that I know that should I go towards my right hand side to draw the right, I'll still have a space. If I am now going up, I'll be still having a space. Okay, that's it. Then from there, after I've drawn this, I can now just draw a perpendicular line against it. So using a scale 1:1, I can now come and see this dimension is at the length from here till here is the length, which is 154 millimeter. From here there is 155. I'm looking for 154, which is this one. Once I get to there, I can then just have a vertical constructional line again. Okay, that's it. Then from there, so we separate our views with what? With 20 millimeters. So from here, I'm going to record it at 20, and still the mark, the half of 20, which is 10. So from here till here 10, from here till here 10. Okay, so I will have another vertical constructional line faint, just like this. Then from there I will come and record the what now, the width or the breadth, which is 72, 71, 72 is that one. And that is the half of 72. So 72 divided by 2, you are getting 36. So it's necessary for us to get the center. So which is 36, 35. There is our 36. Okay. After I've gotten my 36, I can just get the what you call now the center. And just a little bit of a constructional line over there. Okay. So now we are scattering the views according to third angle or the orthographic projection, isn't it? So it's good as if they're saying, come and stand here and draw what you're going to see. So this is of a thickness, because this is what you're going to see up front. Since you are viewing this orthographically, you are not going to see, this one is a little bit back, this one is a little bit back, and what is happening down there is a little bit back. You understand? It will just come and flash with everything. It will just come and flash with everything. And as if everything is starting right from up front. You get what I'm trying to say? Okay. So what I see, the actual thickness of it is what is 10 and plus the other 10, which is 20. You understand? So which means from here till down there is how much? Is 20. So I can record the 20 and also mark at 10. So I mark there. Okay, that's it. I can then have horizontal construction line and horizontal construction line. So you can actually see it's good as if I am drawing them simultaneously, the left as well as the front. Just a little bit, extend this one. Yes. Okay, that's it. This is what I'm going to see. I will then have it solid like this here. Solid right this. Okay, so this one from here till here is that one together with that one that is a little bit back. Remember that is going to come and flash with this one. So when I'm viewing it orthographically, it will just look as if it's just a straight line. Are we together? So which means even here, I can let it be solid. Can let it be solid. So this one, my guy, is a little bit back. This one is a little bit back. Okay, there is something happening here that is also a little bit back, going inside the page with what? With 10 millimeter. But however, when you are viewing it orthographically on your right hand side, it's going to flash. So it's what is 20. So it's going to be 10 this side and 10 this side. Let me get the actual center, which is that one. So simply put it at 10, then I mark at 20 and mark at 0. Okay, so I can just have a constructional line. So from here till here is the 20. Let me see, the 20. If so, which 20 is this one, my guy? Is that one? It's that one. Are we together? So as much as you can see, it's only dark from here till here. So under is no longer is there, which is that one. Remember that little bit bottom part of it will come and flush with this one. So which means I can simply have it solid here and right here. Okay, that's say then it's gonna go up with what okay, with that radius, okay, in order for me to be a little bit accurate. So I will have to approach the front view now. So in my front view, this is what I'm going to see, as such that I'm going to have it dark from here till right there, and I don't record anymore, so since it's being recorded already, my brother. So from here till here solid, which is that one, isn't it? Which is that one. And then after that one, what is going to happen? Do I see another one going down from here till here? No, I don't see it, which means I cannot draw it dark here from here till here, which means I cannot draw it dark there. Okay, so they are saying from here till here is 154, isn't it? Then from where your 154 start is 54, so that you get that one. Okay, so let's do it. 54. This is 54. Then I can just mark it 0. After I've marked it 0, I can just put a vertical center line right there. Then from there, since I'm having that one, I'll then open my drawing compass to 18 millimeter to get that radius. 18 millimeter. 18 is this one. If this 28. 18. This is 2019. I'm looking for 18. It's this one. There it is. And then I will then place it right here and get this solid. You are told that you have to place it here and open it to 18. How did you got this from here till here is 54, which is this one from here till here 54, isn't it? So which means I can have this one solid, this one not yet, this one not yet. Okay. Okay, so let's come back and get the what now, radius 28, still using the very same Lekuzan. Okay, so from here till here is the 10, which is that remaining one. I've already dealt with that. 28, open your drawing compass to 28. From here 28, 29, 30, I'm looking for 28, which is this one. So I'll come and place it at exactly at the same reference point. Yes. Then I'll start to draw it away. Start to draw it here till okay, which is this one and this one. So I can come and have it solid here and just a little bit up until I come and deal with it. Okay, from here till here, where is my 154 ending? Okay, which is this one from here to right there. So what is happening with this one? So as much as I can see this one from here till here solid, that's the 20, I can have it solid here. So it's gonna come back just a little bit this side. Okay, so from here till here is what is that one? It's not clear. Is it not clear? I'm not quite sure with that one. Is it 8 millimeter or okay? This one you can see it from here till here is 10, which give us that 20. Okay, how about from here till here? Tiptokas, is it 6 millimeter or is 8 millimeter or is something what? So guys, if you are sending us problem, make it your point that the dimension are clear. Is it 6 millimeter or 8 millimeter? From here till there. I'm talking about that dimension we are given. It's just that it's not clear enough. Either is it 6 or okay. So what I can do is that I'll rely to that point. But however, that dimension we are given, the dimension I'm talking about is from here till here, which is that one. So I don't know whether is it 6 or is 8. Let me use 6. But what I know is that this point, this one must be seems to be in the same line with that one. Understand? Okay. Let me see. Where is my 6? So it's that one. I think it's 6 or 8. I don't know. And when I'm using 6, it's still not. Understand? Okay, let me rely to this 6. So there's my 6. So I have it back there, which is which one? Which is that one. Which is that one from here to right there. Then I'll come and have this one. There it goes. Okay, that's it. Then after that, let's double check what is happening now. Okay, what I'm gonna see. Okay, from here till here is 54, and after 54 there is 46, and the 46 is giving us what? The center of that one. So let's get it. This one I will then have it solid till right there. What is 46, 45, 46? Which is this one. 46, which is right there. So it's going to be just the center for now. Just the center for now. After that, after the 46, it's going to give me 18. 18. And the 18 is also giving us the center. So 18. This is 19. This is 18, 19, 20. There is my 0. Okay, so right there I can also get to the vertical center line. Oh. Let me use this one. We don't have time. There it goes. Okay. Then after that, we are given the height now of 82 from here till the center 82, and it's from where? From the bottom. Isn't it? From the bottom, not from here, but from the bottom. So, which is 82, go up with 82. This is 80, 81, 82. So there it goes. Then after that, it's giving me what? It's giving me the horizontal center. Draw it. So draw it horizontal long so that it's also helping you there by your right view. Okay. Then after that, that one is gonna give us what? This is radius 36. This is diameter 36. Then the inner one is diameter 18. So fortunately enough, I have diameter 36 here. If you don't have the 36, divide by 2, open your drawing compass to radius of 36. So that goes. Then where's my 18? So the smaller one is what? Is diameter 18, isn't it? Okay. So this is 17, 18 is this one. So from here I have this one. Okay, that's it. And then double check somewhere here. I have to erase it. I have to erase. As much as you can see, it's not closed there, isn't it? So there is a supporter of what? Of 10 millimeter. So you're going to say 5 this side and 5 this other side. So I simply mark it 10 and mark it 0. Understand? Okay. Then I construct it. Construct them very long up, because you're still going to need them there by your top view. Okay, so I'm going to have this one solid from here to there. The supporter, I'm going to see it clearly. The supporter, I'm going to see it clearly. So from here till here, I have to erase it. As much as I can see, it's not close to there, isn't it? So erase it here. Okay, that's it. And then we have this supporter, and from here till here we are going to see it clearly in our right view. Then so I'm going to have it like this, like a tangent. You know what is a tangent? So it's a line that will just touch the circumference of the cycle. So it's not crossing, it's not passing by, it's supposed to touch like that. And double check at the back again. We have another supporter at the back again. We're going to have another supporter, so which is going to be from here till right there. Understand? So you align this corner with the circumference of the cycle, just like this. Okay, so after that, where are we now? What else are we going to see? Okay, this one I'm going to see it. We're going to see it. So in terms of our front view, you understand? So that one, I'm going to see it as hidden details. So they're saying go in with 10 millimeter. Go in with 10 millimeter. So I can record the 10 right from here. From here to right there. That's the 10. So I'll then have a faint construction line going up as well as hidden details. That's it. It's going to be hidden details like this. Okay. So in terms of our front view, let's see, we are left with these hidden details of this hole now. So we have to firstly get the hole on the top view, then we project the construction line of it down. Are we together? Okay. So from there, I can just get this, take it horizontally. I come back and what now? And finish up with my right view. This one faint. This one faint. That one faint. Okay. So look, my guys, so this is going to be the upper right hand corner of our top view. That's where the line of 45 degrees is supposed to start. So right from here, going this side, where is my 45 degrees set square? So at this corner, where the very last point intersect with in terms of the horizontal, and the very last point in terms of the vertical intersect or perpendicular to each other, that's where I'm going to draw this line. That's where I'm going to draw this line, 45 degrees. So there it goes. So now I'm going to project all the points right from my right view. Once they touch this line of 45 degrees, they're supposed to change direction. You understand? So they must pass like this one. So once they touch it, they're supposed to. So I can extend this one. It's already there. Even the center. Do not forget it. The center, there it goes. So if this one, that goes. With that one, that goes. So once they touch the 45-degree line, they're supposed to change direction. They come horizontally. So that's how we draw the third view. So when we draw the third view, we don't record any dimension. We just project lines so that you're fast, quicker. So that goes. So you use the front as well as the right, or the front as well as the left, or the front as well as the top to draw the third view. Are we together? So in this case, our third view is going to be the top view, isn't it? It's going to be the top view. Okay, that's saying. Now we can come and look at the view now. It's which one? So I want to get that one. So from here till here is how much? It's 54, isn't it? It's 50. So from here till here is of a thickness of 54. So when you say 54 divided by 2 is 27, isn't it? So we come from here till this side, 27. So I can simply put it at 27. That's 25, 26, 27. So 55, I'm looking for 54 and 0. So I can, this ruler is, I know this one is something else. So I have it solid here. I have to get the flexible one. Okay, after that, I can then have this one vertically down, up. Once it touch there, you stop. Even this one vertical down, up. Once it touch there, you stop. Okay, that's it. But then it's going to be dark till way till right there. Let me double check here. There is a dimension that we didn't took here. From here to the center to that one. Do you see that it's a little bit down? I mean, it's a little bit going vertical before it will bend to this, isn't it? Before. So when you come to view it on your right hand side, that's where you're going to see it clearly. We go to, okay, it's actually like that. So from your center going down, let's do it, which is 28. 20. This is 29, 28 is right here. So there it goes. So here it's going to be just a solid line here. Going to be solid line right here. So the moment I have this solid line, because of this one, I'm going to see it clearly, that one, which because it's a bend. It's a bend, isn't it? So now when I'm taking it horizontally, there it goes. So it's going to give me a point right there and a right there. That I'll have to draw them dark vertically down, dark vertically down. Okay, so I can just a little bit for now. I cannot draw it dark till here because of what? There is a supporter there, of which you're going to see it clearly. Hey, Bon, going to see that supporter clearly there by our right view. But what I can do now, I'll have to have this one from here till it dark, and from here to right there dark. Okay. And then these ones, they'll be what? That goes once it gets here hidden. They'll be in hidden. This one they'll be in hidden. This is 0.5. Yeah. hidden. I thought it's 0.2. Okay, I think I've even drew it wrongly. It's not this one, but it's that one. Yes, I can see it most. That's what I like about drawing. You can, before you even submit your work, you can be able to tell you, man, this thing is not adding up. It's not adding up. So this one, my brother, you have to erase it. We proceed. Remember, this is that hole. This is that hole. Which is which one? Which is this one. That goes once it gets here is going to be hidden. Then that goes once it gets here, that goes hidden. Understand? So this one, it will be just that one. That I was like, it's going to be a little bit. It's going to be a little bit up until we come and get the thickness of the center. Erase this one is out of order as well. Erase this one is out of order as well. You never say you know it. You never say you know it up until you are done with it. Up until you have done it. Okay. So the thickness of it is what? Is 10 millimeter, isn't it? If it's 10, so I'm going to say 5 this side and 5 this side. So this is 5 and 5. Okay, that's it. And then I'll have to have a faint line going down, faint line going down. So this supporter is ending till right here. Once it any point beyond this, it will no longer be a tangent, isn't it? So I'm having a point here and I'm having a point right there. So take it up again, up until at this point. So that goes. So I'm having a point here and I'm having a point right there. Okay. Then once it gets there, it's going to be something of this nature. So in this side, so even down here, that's the supporter, of which you're going to see it clearly now. Just a little bit. Just a little bit as well. Okay. Such that now I can come and be like, okay, now I can see this one clearly. It will end here. It will end right here. So I'm not going to have any hidden detail there. Okay, that's it. Then after that, what is happening? Okay. I think even here, I'll have to erase just a little bit because this one, I'll have to take this one. There it goes. Because this one is a little bit back. Remember, this is your right view. It's a little bit back. So when I'm taking this one horizontal, I'll have to get this one up like this and get this one up like that. Are we together? Because we're going to see this one clearly. This one going to see it clearly. Going to see it clearly, isn't it? So from here till here, solid. From here to right there, solid. So which means from here till here supposed to be in hidden. From here till here supposed to be in hidden. You understand? So can quickly fix that. Going to see when we are now drawing the third view will be even more faster, quicker than now. Okay, I know is a challenge. So this one is going to be hidden. It's at the back of what we see. Hidden here and hidden right here. Okay. Are we still having something on our left view? Let's see. Are we still having something left there by our left view? This one we've related. It is that hole. These holes. And you are going to see it clearly, this hole, when we deal with it. Firstly, there by our top. Because should you come and view it on your top, that's when you're going to see it clearly. So once you drew this diameter 12, remember they said there are two, which means it's one. Whereas the second one is at the back of this supporter. Understand? It's at the back there of the very same diameter 12. So there are 12. I mean there are two of diameter 12. So once we draw them on our what you call on our top, then we project their lines. Okay. So is there anything I've left even in my right view? That is it. Okay, so now I can approach to draw the third view now. So now I'm going to take all the points that are behaving vertical in my right. This one is already taken. Once it touched there, they're saying it's supposed to go horizontally. So that goes. So this one, that goes. This one, that goes. Once they touch my line of 45 degrees, they become horizontally towards my left hand side. So this was that one of the supporter. Okay, the same. So take this one, just a little bit. This one, there it goes. This one, there it goes. Okay, that's it. Let's see. So let's draw the top view now. You're going to see we are not going to record any dimension. We'll use the dimension of the front as well as the top. Okay, so let's start here. When I now come and view it on my top, this is what I'm going to see. And you can actually see right there in our top, you can see that it's not a sharp corner, but that one is a sharp corner. So if it's not a sharp corner like that, this corner is this one that goes on, which means it's that one. Look how do I trace it. This corner, this one goes vertical, isn't it? So once it goes horizontally, which means it's this corner, from here, that goes on to touch the line of 45 degrees, goes up, which means it's this corner, isn't it? So I'm going to have it like this, just a little bit. So even up there, even up here, my brother. Just a little bit. Then there by your top, that's where you're going to see it clearly. Okay, there is that one. Which one is this? Come back and trace it right from your top. I mean from your right, Remember, you've dealt with it, which is this one, isn't it? Which is that one. So you can simply trace it out. Trace it out. That goes. Which means it's this one. Remember, in your front is from here till here. So it's supposed to be getting it along this line, isn't it? So which means it's that one. Then from here till here, we go up. Which once it touch there goes on, which means that one. Everyone. So sengizoyenza njani ke manje? Sengizothi from here till here. Duck. From here till here, I stop. From here till you duck. From here till you duck. From here till you duck. This is it. This is what I'm going to see. there by my top view, and then come and get this one, because it's the one that you're going to sit first on the upper surface. Whatever that you've studied is going to be a little bit down. So going to see this one. Remember, we are doing outside views. This is not in sectioning. This is not in sectioning. Should you be doing in sectional drawing, you have to be strong in terms of scattering the views as well. Are we together? So I'll come to my front view. Take this point, goes up. Take this one, goes up. Let me take them one by one. So I took this one up, isn't it? So now trace it like this. Once it touches there, goes horizontally. Once it touches here, there it goes. Once it touches there, must come and intersect with this line, isn't it? Look, there it goes, 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 which means I'm having what? A point right here. So now from here till right there, once it gets there, goes up. So which means it's still the same point with that one. You understand? Okay, so which means I can have this one solid from here to right there. So it's going to be how long is it supposed to be? I'm going to be told by the right from here to right there. So I can trace this one. Once it cut there, that goes, which means till here and there. A1. So there it goes. I come and close it right there and close it right here. You understand? So this is what we're going to see the surface up. So inside it has got what? A hole. So it's going to be in hidden. It's going to be a hole. First the constructed lines, hidden. Don't refer points, you have to construct these constructional lines. Make them, they are constructed, visibly constructed, and it. Then from there, I can now have it the outer. So this one I will see it clearly till here. This one I will see it clearly till right there. Once it gets here, I'll see it clearly. I'll still see it. You see that is corresponding with this one. It's still corresponding with that one, and it. Okay, then from there, what else? What else? What else? The supporter. Let's get rid of the supporter now. We are going to have the supporter, which is we've already dealt with it in our right view. That goes, which means this one, the thickness, which means it's this one. But then in our front is going to be this point. That's where the supporter is ending. From here goes up. Understand? So which is that one and that one. Then in our upper part of it, that goes, which is this one and that one. So let's do it. Is going to be just a little bit. Just a little bit again. So even yeah. So how do you go about it? To show that it's a supporter. In this other side, just like this. Okay, that's say, my brother. Okay, so even down here at the back is going to be something of this nature. Start supporter, something of this nature. Now these pencil loops, I know them, they are soft, they keep on breaking for no reason. So something of this nature. Oh, hot. Deposile the paya. So it's going down. Is it going down? So we are drawing the third view, okay? Then we threw these ones. So from here to right there is going to be dark from here to right there, from here to right there, as far as I'm concerned. Okay, that's it. And then this one is going to be constructed, then hidden, crossing the supporter. So even this one, faint, hidden, because it's under. We are now viewing it on its top. Construct this one, constructional line, hidden. Are we together? That's it. Then this one, construct it up, solid from here to right there. We are going to see it clearly, my brother. We are going to see it clearly. Let me give you just a little bit of a zoom out. Are we still together? So that is it. Standing like this. Okay, we've through this one. What is left now is the 18 of that one. So we've through the 18 of the horizontal center line, which is this one. Remember, we said from here till here is 18, isn't it? So take it up. Okay, it's corresponding with that one. Okay, so it's corresponding with that one. Since it's corresponding with that one, I can come and get the 18 now. From here, this is 20, 19, 18, which is that one. And again this side, 19, 18, which is that one, isn't it? Then from there, that's when I'm gonna get these ones, and it's off diameter what? It's off diameter what's off there. You can actually see it's off diameter 12. Remember, we were told that it's off diameter 12. Diameter 12, and there are two. Diameter 12, and there are two. Okay, so the vertical one is going to be exactly this line. Remember, we took that one right from our front view. We were told that, okay, from here till here is 18 to get the horizontal, which is that one. From here till here, 18, isn't it? Okay, so now let's just select diameter 12, which means it's this one. Now we are going to see this hole clearly. Going to see it clearly. So it's going to be in hidden. This side, solid, because it's under, isn't it? So this upper part again, diameter 12, which is this one. So see it clearly, this side hidden till right there. Okay, so now I'll project these lines. So this one corresponds with that. Okay, there it goes. Once it gets at the bottom part of my front view, which is this side, it's going to be hidden, yeah, till here. Then even this side, take it vertically. Once it gets there, hidden. Okay, that's it, which means we are completely done with the front view. With the front view now. Yes, that's it. Then now I will take the very same points there by our top view now, so that we complete our right view. So start with this. So there it goes. Once it touch 45 degrees, gonna go vertically down. So there it goes. So it's going to start from where? From here, going down, hidden. The whole thickness of 20 millimeters. Since from here till here, which means, you understand? So go and take the upper one. So there it goes. Once it touch there, this was its center, so it's no longer necessary for you to take it, which is this one. Take it faint first, then from here, hidden up to here. You understand? Okay, that's it. Then the upper one. So there it goes. So touch there. Down I go, which is going to be this one. The bottom one. There it goes. This was its center as well. And from there, it's going to be hidden. Okay. That's it. So we've scattered the views of this machine component that was being sent to us by Mbali. So I think I've answered your question, Mbali. So if there's something I've left, guys, you can simply let me know by our comment section. From here till here, we're not going to have any solid line, as much as we do not have it there. Yeah. Yes, that was it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. That was Mr. Nkoso, Engineering Graphics and Design. So we just finished off orthographic projection, third angle orthographic projection. That's it. See you on the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video you are watching. Subscribe, like the video, and share.